Hi, this is Mrs. Rivera, and I'm going to explain to you how to do your journal activity today. So first, you should be watching this video. That's number one. And number two, you're going to go to Bookflix. And if you need to enter your username and password, my computer doesn't always make me do that. But if you do, the username is Northport and the password is school. So I'm going to click on this link. And it's going to bring me to Bookflix. Now I'm just going to skip the intro. Okay. Now if you go back on this page, it says, let me make the volume louder. It says number 3, click Adventure. So it looks like this. So I'm going to go back to Bookflix. I'm going to click Adventure.
Adventure.
Okay. Now number 4 says listen to the story Scaredy Squirrel. So it looks like this. And you're going to press that button that says watch the story. So let's find it. Oh, here it is. And you're going to watch the story first, or you could press here. Either way, it's okay. And you're going to listen to the first story called Scaredy Squirrel. And then it says number 5, read the story Squirrels. So this is a nonfiction. It's a real book about squirrels. And you're going to click read the book. So that's this one. So you're going to read this book. If you want somebody to read it to you, you can click this. And then it will read it to you.
Squirrels are rodents. They live in grasslands, forests, and deserts.
Now, if that was too fast, you could even make it slower. Look right here. Now let's try.
Squirrels are rodents. They live in grasslands, forests, and deserts.
So you might want to read it a little bit slower like that, and then you just turn the page when it's ready.
Big bushy tails help squirrels balance when they climb trees.
Okay, so you can also make the screen bigger if you want, right here. Oh, maybe it's this one. So I pressed this and it made it a full screen if you want to make it bigger. Okay. After you're finished reading that book, you go back here, see what the next thing is. It says complete the activities. So it says to do all of these activities, which are right here. So you can play the word match game.
Read the clue below. Click on the word it matches. Match all the words to uncover a picture.
Okay.
To chew or bite on.
So you're going to decide which one of these words means to chew or bite on. And you're going to listen to all of those words. And you choose your answer. Then you go to fact or fiction.
Read the sentence below. Is it fact or fiction? Click on a button to give your answer.
Remember, fact means it's real. Fact means it's real, and fiction means it's fake. It's not real, okay? And then you're going to do which came first.
Look at these 3 pictures. What happened first? Drag that picture to the yellow box.
So then you decide what happened first in the story, what happened next, and what happened last. And this was all about Scaredy Squirrel, okay? When you finish the activities, you come back here and you're going to do the journal. So it says, facts I learned about squirrels. So your second book was nonfiction and it told you a lot about squirrels. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick some facts that you learned, some things you learned about squirrels, and you're going to type them here. Now, these do not have to be sentences. These can just be notes, okay? I want at least 4. And remember, if you want to add more, you just highlight the last box. You right-click it, and you say Insert Row Below, and it will give you another one, okay? Now put your facts together to write sentences about squirrels. So over here you can type, you're going to take your facts and you're going to make some sentences about squirrels. So you can say something like, I learned a lot about squirrels. And then you could tell me a fact. Okay, and then another fact. You're going to have 4, so you could have like 3 or 4 sentences here. All right. So that's the activity for this week for your journal. If you need help, just send me a message.